Hi, I'm Stacy, and today I'm just going to show you how to do a tomato cucumber salad with a garlic basil dressing. Now this is a really great salad if you have company coming and you just want something that you can throw together that's not the regular basic lettuce salad. So anyways, let me just show you how this is done. So I did start out with peeling and chopping 2 cucumbers, and then I have 3 Roma tomatoes that I also chopped up. I have 1 can of black olives that I sliced all the olives in half. And I have half of a red onion. Now I diced that pretty small. This is all that I'm going to do for the salad. And when we add the dressing, it's not going to be put on until right before serving, okay? Because otherwise it'll make your tomatoes and your cucumbers kind of go flat. So I'm going to set this aside and show you how to make the dressing. So you're going to want your canning jar or another dish to put it in. And then I'm going to start it with 3/4 cup of oil. I have avocado oil here, but you can use olive oil. That works really well. And 1/4 cup of white distilled vinegar. Again, you could swap that out for apple cider vinegar if you'd like. I have 1 teaspoon of sea salt. 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of granulated dried garlic. Now you can also put in fresh garlic instead, and that works just as well. Just give this a little stir. And that's all there is to this. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before using. That way all the flavors can blend together. But that's all there is to it, guys. I will show you a picture at the end to show you how it all looks. And feel free to add other things to this. Sometimes I've used shrimp after I've cooked it up and just kind of put it in there. It really does taste good. But you can get creative with this and add anything you want. Have a good day. Bye.